I know you're scrolling through YouTube looking for that one easy weight loss tip video. And what do you find? Stuff like do 500 crunches a day, run a 5-mile marathon, follow a HIIT workout on an empty stomach. Or even worse, just starve all day. Like, thanks a lot. But I'm absolutely not doing that. Because let's be real, most of us don't have the time or even the energy for all that after hours and hours of school and work. And even if you do manage to do it, trust me, I've been there and it's just straight up exhausting.
Oh my God, I still have one more.
But imagine this. What if you could actually burn fat while you sleep? Like you're snuggled up under your cozy blanket off in dreamland, and meanwhile your body's out here doing the work and burning the fat. Sounds like literal magic, right? That's why your big sis is back, ready to hook you up. And consider this weight loss worry gone. Because in this video, I'm sharing super simple, effective, and easy bedtime habits that'll help you shed that stubborn fat. Yep, even the part hanging out of your jeans. So without further ado, let's get into it. Habit number 1, drink smarter, not harder. We've all heard it, drink more water for clear skin, weight loss, better digestion, and the list goes on and on. But let's be real. Some of us, yes, I'm talking about me and you, we totally forget to drink water. I know it's not ideal, but hey, let's just cut to the chase. If you're like us, here's the trick. Chug a big glass of water at least 30 minutes before your meal. Now you're probably thinking, why though? Because that glass of water gives your metabolism a kickstart. Think of it as gently speeding up your calorie burning engine. It also fills up space in your stomach so you naturally eat less without feeling deprived. Two birds in one glass. You eat less, but still feel full. Told you it's gonna be like magic. And the best part, it helps prevent overeating. Here's the wild truth. Sometimes when you think you're hungry, you're not. Yes, you're actually just thirsty. So water stops you from unnecessary snacking. For the forgetful water drinkers, you've got your fix. But what if plain water just isn't your vibe? Easy fix. Add slices of cucumber lemon or strawberries for a mild and tasty upgrade. Habit number 2, level up your protein game. Now let's talk real meals. If you love carbs, I'm sorry, bestie. Time to break up with that dreamy pasta, because if you're serious about weight loss, it's time to show some commitment. And guess what? Protein is your ride or die. It never ghosts you, never cheats, just shows up and does the job. So level up that protein game and start investing in meals that actually work for you. Still not convinced? Girly, hear me out. Protein is way more satisfying than carbs or fat. It's your secret weapon against those 3 a.m. ramen cravings. Your body actually works harder and burns more calories, all while just digesting protein. Plus, while you're off living your best dreamland life, your muscles are getting repaired. And the best part? It targets fat, not muscle. So you don't just get skinnier, you get snatched. Got no time to whip up a 5-star dinner? No stress, just toss in a boiled egg on the side. And easy protein sources like chicken tofu, Greek yogurt nuts, and chickpeas, they've got your back. Habit number 3, sleep in a cold room. Yes, you heard me, sleep in the cold. I know your brain's probably screaming, why on earth would I do that? I'm not a penguin. But hey, listen. First summer's already knocking, and instead of roasting like a marshmallow in your bed, why not just flip the script and chill out? Literally, here's the cool part. Sleeping in a room that's around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius actually helps your body burn fat while you sleep. Yep, you're just lying there dreaming away and your body's in fat burning mode. It's like turning your bedroom into a fat burning spa place. Now, before you think of me as an idiot, let me tell you there's actual science behind it. So, when your body senses a drop in temperature, it starts working to keep your core warm. That's when it activates brown fat, a superhero type of fat that burns calories to generate heat. Basically, you're wrapped up in blankets, cozy and chilled, while your body's literally getting rid of excessive fat without you having to lift a finger. And that is why just turn on the air conditioner every night before bed, and in a few days, say bye-bye to your belly fat. For good. Habit number 4, sleep smarter, not lesser. For this one, I had to reveal the biggest secret about stopping your cravings, which I'm sure most people won't tell you. Hear me out. When you sleep right, your bed becomes a full-on fat-burning machine. Yep, really. So listen close. If you're going to bed at 4 a.m. and crawling out by 6, guess what? Your belly fat absolutely loves you for that. Here's the real deal. Lack of sleep totally messes up your hormones and makes you crave more junk food, especially for sweet, greasy stuff. And before you know it, you're overeating like crazy. But if you give your body 7 to 9 hours of solid sleep, your hormones chill out, cravings drop, and appetite resets. Your digestion improves and your metabolism speeds up like it should. But here's the catch. Try to sleep around the same time every night. It's like setting your body's internal alarm for fat burning hours. The more consistent you are, the more your system gets the hint. Oh, it's time to get to work. You're not just resting. You're low-key scheduling your body to work smarter while you doze off. And come on, who doesn't love sleep? If I was in your place, I would sleep on and on. So start doing what your fat hates, and it'll slowly fade into the background. And with this, another video comes to an end. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one.